Hi, so today we'll be discussing about moving iron instruments. So moving iron instruments are classified into two types, moving iron attraction type instrument and moving iron repulsion type instrument. So coming to moving iron attraction type instrument, the basic principle of an attraction type is if a small piece of iron is placed near a current carrying coil, the iron is attracted into the strongest magnetic field inside the coil. So if you consider a fixed coil which is wound with a large number of turns of copper wire and then an oval shaped disc of soft iron carrying a pointer or a spindle is attached to the coil or placed near a coil. Then a pointer is attached to the spindle and it is moved over the scale. Controlling torque is provided by the gravity control method. Basically, there are two methods of control, spring control and gravity. So here we are using gravity control method. Damping is provided by air friction with the help of a light aluminum piston. So coming to the figure, you can see here is a coil which is wound with few turns of copper wire, and you can see a oval shaped disc which is attached to the spindle, and also a pointer is also attached to the moving system. And here you can see the soft iron piece which is nothing but the oval shaped one, and the piston is moving into and out of an air chamber which provides necessary damping. So now what will happen is, as the magnetic field is stronger at the center, the iron disc tends to be pulled into the strongest portion. The result is that the soft iron piece is attracted towards the coil and then it starts moving. So the basic principle is attraction here, and the force is proportional to the square of the current. So from this you can see when the moving disc is attracted towards the coil, it deflects the pointer and the pointer will move over the scale. Now the second type I have discussed is repulsion type. Repulsion type moving iron instrument, the same thing, but here the principle will be different, which is quite opposite to the attraction type. So here you can see two types of iron pieces. One is movable soft iron piece and the other one will be fixed iron piece. This fixed iron piece is permanently fixed to the coil. Okay, and in this type there are two pieces where one piece is fixed to the fixed coil which is wound with a large number of turns of copper wire, and one of them is fixed and the other one is movable which is attached to the spindle. So when the current to be measured is passed through the turns of a coil, a magnetic field is produced and the two iron pieces get magnetized in same direction. The result is that the ends of the iron pieces which are in close proximity attain same polarity so that they repel. That means the movable iron piece will repel and move away from the fixed piece. With that, the spindle will rotate and the pointer will deflect over the scale. The same thing, controlling torque is obtained by gravity control and damping is by air friction damping mechanism. Thank you. So I have uploaded lecture notes on measuring instruments also in my website. So completely I have uploaded basic electrical engineering, DC generators and motors, and measuring instruments and induction motors in my website. I also request all the students, because this lecture notes will be helpful to all of you for your study purpose. Thank you.